Okay, this is for the assessment unit 113. Task 2, this is about using handsaws, different type of handsaws. And the task that you've got to do is this one. So you've got a little piece of wood that I'm going to give you, which will be 450 mm long by 90 millimeters width. The thickness will be about 15 mm. The first thing you got to do, as you can see, is do cut A. So this cut A, as you can see here, is all along the length. So this is a ripping cut, so you're going to use a rip saw starting here. So if you put your piece of wood in your vise on the bottom, and then start cutting nice and square, please, along the line. Now what you got to be very careful about is the criteria. Now if you look at the criteria for cut A, it says that you got to rip the timber to the width, but not on the size. So as you are cutting, measuring your 70 mm, because that's the distance that you got to cut it in, 70 mm, you must make sure that you are within this. So your piece of wood, when I'm going to measure it, must be either 70 mm, 71 mm, that will be a distinction, 72 mm, a merit, 73 mm, a pass. If it's under 70, it's a fail. Also, do make sure that when you do your cut, that you are really square. So your cut must be absolutely square. So use the square to check that your cut is good. Once you've done cut A, you will then go on to cut B. This is the cross cut, and with that you're going to use a turn-on saw to do this. So using the bench hook, you just put your piece of wood on a bench hook, and then with the turn-on saw do a nice cross cut. Now you can see the measurement. It says 400 mm from the top to the bottom, 400 mm. Now if you look back again at the criteria, the cross cut timber to be to the length across the face, not on the side. So not on the side means that, again, if you are 400 mm or 401, it's a distinction, 402 is a merit, and 403 it's a pass. Anything under 400 will be a fail. So make sure that you stay bang on. Finally, it's cut C, so using a compass, you're gonna measure your 400 with a measure 400, mark it using a compass. You do your radius like this, and then you put it on a vise, and using the coping saw, you will then cut nice and square again. And make sure that you are accurate to your measurement within 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm for a pass. Anything above will be a fail. And then finally, you produce your work. You come to me and then see how it goes, and I'll mark it, and if you followed my instruction, you should have a good grade. Thank you.